second only to the legendary 1969 Camaro in the poll of ultimate offerings for Chevrolet's first 100 years. The 1970 Chevelle Supersport is one of the most popular muscle cars of all time. Simply put, the car's appeal is undeniable, and this impressive LS6 coupe represents the best of what the Marquis was and is. Hailing from GM's storied and still functional Arlington manufacturing facility, this stunning LS6 Supersport is the beneficiary of a high-quality frame-off restoration that's so nice it schools factory survivors. After professional metalwork, which resulted in a straight and solid profile, the car's panels were layered in correct Fathom Blue 2-stage, dashed with classic white stripes, and capped in correct black vinyl. And today, this top dog Chevy rolls as a spectacular piece of iconic American muscle that's detailed to better than factory standards. Decked in correct black vinyl, the Chevelle's fully restored interior is both attractive and inviting. Its slick bench and bucket seats are firm to the touch, showing no signs of detrimental wear and tear. A familiar Supersport dash anchors optional deluxe gauges beside a vintage Delco AM/FM radio. The silver-trimmed console centers a small oil gauge and polished Muncie shifter on clean carpet, and a reproduction Chevrolet rally wheel keeps everything pointed straight. Lift the hood and you'll find a correct Cal induction system that feeds the car's original 454 cubic inch V8. Rated at 450 horsepower, that ferocious solid lifter big block sends power to an original Muncie 4-speed back to a posi traction rear with 410 gears. We've become pretty accustomed to featuring a variety of excellent Chevys. That said, while we enjoy pretty much any Chevelle, nothing beats an authentic LS6. This fully documented coupe is an iconic car which wraps one of the hottest powertrains ever produced in an exceptional color combination. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.